We will show different solutions to clean Bodaq surfaces, so you will see the reaction of materials. We wrapped this door over 2.5 years ago in a busy community center. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to clean a Bodaq-Wrapped door, even after heavy, everyday use.
Okay, we wrapped this door about 2 years ago, and so we've just come back to clean it up a little bit for them. So alcohol is one of the ones that we generally recommend the most. That's the alcohol on scuffs. So alcohol does a decent job reducing scuffs marks. Okay, we did the alcohol just a few minutes ago. Now we're going to use a kind of medium-ish strength degreaser to try and get the rest of this out. We'll just let that sit on there for a minute. So the degreaser did a better job on just like the general dirt than the alcohol did, but the alcohol does a bit of a better job getting some of the scuff marks and get the remaining marks out and stuff. It's a fairly aggressive, heavy cleaner. And again, we'll just let that sit for a minute to do its work. So yeah, so the previous degreaser actually did a better job. And the alcohol tends to do a better job on the actual scuff marks and stuff like that than either of the degreasers. So 2.5 years after application, the door's still in reasonably good shape. As you saw from earlier in the video, there was a bunch of scuff marks. Some alcohol and a degreaser got virtually all of those out. The door looks near new again, and it's held up really well considering we're in a community center.
Bodaq is easy to clean with multiple product options for every need. The film remains intact, damage-free, and proven to last over 10 years. Visit nelcos.com to learn more.